Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the problem of linking a bank account to your PayPal account in just 5 minutes. This issue can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through simple, clear steps to get everything working smoothly again. First, open your browser and head over to the official PayPal website by typing paypal.com. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the login button. Go ahead and click it. Now it's time to enter your PayPal account details. Start with your email address, making sure it's the one linked to your account. Then carefully type in your password. Double-check both fields to avoid any login issues. Once everything looks good, hit the login button to access your account. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the Pay and Get Paid section on your dashboard. This is where you manage payment methods and transactions. Click on it and then find the Banks and Cards option. Click on that too. If you're having trouble linking your bank account, the problem could come from a few different places. Sometimes it might be an issue with the bank itself. Banks can have temporary glitches or specific requirements for linking accounts. Alternatively, the issue could be within your PayPal account settings or due to incorrect details you've entered. Make sure all your bank information is accurate and up to date. To get help, click on the Help option in your PayPal dashboard. It's an excellent resource filled with helpful guides. From there, go to My Wallet and select Bank Accounts for more targeted assistance. Now, look for the topic titled, Why Can't I Link a Bank Account to My PayPal Account? Click on it. This section will show you the most common causes of linking errors and how to fix them step by step. Be sure to read through these solutions carefully. Each tip is designed to help you identify and resolve issues quickly. Once you've gone through them, try linking your bank account again. Following these steps should help you fix almost any problem when linking your bank account to PayPal. But if the issue still continues, don't worry, you can always contact PayPal support directly for personal assistance. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix the PayPal bank account linking problem quickly and easily. Thanks so much for watching. Stay calm, stay clear, and keep your PayPal account running smoothly. See you in the next video.